Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Sunshine Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for two, please.
Certainly. For which dates would you like to make the reservation?
From August 10 to August 15.
Okay, let me check the availability. Just a moment, please. Yes, we have rooms available for those dates. Would you prefer a standard room or a deluxe room?
What's the difference between them?
A standard room comes with a queen-sized bed, free Wi-Fi, and a flat-screen TV. The deluxe room is larger, has a king-sized bed, a balcony with a sea view, and includes complimentary breakfast.
That sounds great. We'll take the deluxe room.
Wonderful choice. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Can I also get a contact number and an email address for the reservation?
Yes, my phone number is 555-1234, and my email is john.smith@gmail.com.
Got it? Before we proceed, let me tell you a bit about our hotel. Sunshine Hotel offers a variety of amenities, including a full-service spa, a fitness center, an outdoor swimming pool, and 3 on-site restaurants featuring local and international cuisine. We also provide complimentary shuttle service to the nearby beach and airport.
That sounds amazing. We're really looking forward to our stay.
We're glad to hear that. Now, how would you like to pay for the reservation?
I'll pay with my credit card.
Great. I'll need your credit card number and the expiration date, please.
It's 1,234, 5,678, 9,012, 3,456, expiring in 12/25.
Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. We look forward to welcoming you and your wife to Sunshine Hotel. Have a great day.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel. Please have a seat. How I can help you today?
Hi, we have a reservation under the name John Smith.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Smith, we have your deluxe room ready for you. May I see a form of identification, please?
Sure, here is my ID.
Thank you. I see you've booked a deluxe room with a king-sized bed, a balcony with a sea view, and complimentary breakfast.
Yes, that's correct.
Excellent. Here are your room keys. Your room number is 504. Our bellboy will assist you with your luggage.
Thank you.
Could you remind us of the breakfast hours?
Of course. Breakfast is served in our main restaurant from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily.
Great. And could you also tell us about the amenities available?
Certainly. Our hotel offers a full-service spa, a fitness center, an outdoor swimming pool, and 3 on-site restaurants featuring local and international cuisine. We also provide complimentary shuttle service to the nearby beach and airport. If you need any recommendations or assistance during your stay, please don't hesitate to ask.
That sounds perfect. We're looking forward to our stay.
We're delighted to have you. Enjoy your stay at Sunshine Hotel, Mr. Smith. If you need anything, just dial 0 from your room phone.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.